shit. Okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What hurt?
Honey.
You okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Then why are you crying? Does it hurt?
Yeah. Real bad.
What got hit? Do you know? Like on the kneecap?
Mm-hmm.
On the pad?
Mm-hmm.
And it just like hit your knee?
Mm-hmm.
Can you move it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just try to get up real quick. Here. It's got dirt in your mouth?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's pretty sandy right here.
Just,
You hit the front brake?
uh-huh.
Here.
I'm used to riding a bicycle, so
Yeah. How's your knee feel?
I'm fine, yeah, but
Okay.
right at the moment, that hurts.
Yeah.
What's that?
Like gas.
Where did I land, though?
Right over it. Except for I was so worried I didn't catch it.
Why?
Because I was like videotaping like this. And I was like, oh, please, please, please make it, you know? Like in my head. And then you jumped past me and then I just watched. Then you landed it perfect. You could see the mark right where you landed, like right there. And then all I see is I turn around and you're crashing in the ditch. I was like, oh shit! I don't even think I stopped recording it. So, yeah.